Imagine capturing the world from breathtaking new angles with a drone that flips, flies, and follows your every move. Introducing the DJI Flip Drone, your ultimate tool for cinematic aerial shots built for creators, adventurers, and storytellers alike. Sleek, smart, and ultra-portable, this drone is designed for adventure. With a lightweight frame and foldable design, it fits right in your pocket or backpack, ready to take off whenever inspiration strikes. Whether you're traveling to new destinations, exploring the outdoors, or just having fun, this drone is your perfect companion. Equipped with advanced AI tracking, the DJI Flip Drone intelligently locks onto your subject, ensuring you stay in frame no matter where you move. Whether you're running on the beach, cycling through the mountains, or pulling off an epic stunt, this drone follows you effortlessly for cinematic, hands-free footage. But here's where the real magic happens. A seamless 360-degree flip that takes your aerial shots to the next level. With precision engineering, this drone executes stunning flips and rolls, adding a dynamic and professional touch to your videos. Elevate your storytelling with smooth, high-speed maneuvers that make your content stand out. Capture every detail in stunning 4K Ultra HD video, paired with ultra-smooth stabilization for crystal-clear footage. Whether you're filming breathtaking landscapes, city skylines, or action-packed moments, every shot is rich in color and clarity. Plus, with HDR capabilities, your footage looks even more vibrant, bringing your scenes to life like never before. Ready to flip the way you film? Elevate your content, push creative boundaries, and take your storytelling to new heights with the DJI Flip Drone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more epic tech reviews and drone footage. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching.